Carmine B, and today I'm gonna show you how to make money. Okay, so you're wondering how to make money fast because you might be in a little pickle. Hello. This is a few ways to make money fast, at home, and easy. You're welcome. The first way to make a ton of money really fast is to just sell everything. Anything really. Your clothes, your refrigerator, your cat, your dog, your brother, you got it, you sell it. For real though, you can sell a ton of your clothes that you're not wearing right now on Poshmark, on Depop, on eBay. Poshmark is the one that works the quickest for me, and if you just want to get rid of something fast, just mark it down and just sell it, get rid of it. Also, if you're looking for designer items, because you see all the Instagram influencers wearing them all the time, you can get them for a steal on Poshmark. Just bid people. Let's say something costs like $200, just offer them $100. Worst thing they can do is say no. So I realize some of you might not have anything you want to sell right now. Okay, this is my idea number 2. There's this new app called Vipon, and basically they have this new refer and share program where if you get all your friends to sign up for the app, you can get up to $1 per person. So, hello, free money. Just text the link to all your friends and be like, hey, sign up. And they'll be like, okay, why not? I mean, it takes 2 seconds. I'll show you guys how to do it. I'm collabing with them today. So you go to the app store, you download Vipon. Basically what it is a money saving app. It gives you vouchers, discounts. You never have to pay full price again. You're welcome. I guess they have over 40,000 Amazon coupons. Hello, we love a frugal queen. Okay, once you get it all set up, all you have to do is click the refer and earn money button and then share the link with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, texting. Share it with literally anybody. Just send it to everyone in your address book. And then once you reach 50 bucks, you can withdraw it into your PayPal account, and that shouldn't take you more than a few weeks. So there you go. That's 50 free dollars. You didn't even have to do anything. The third way is to perhaps start a YouTube channel. If you've got an idea for like a new cool type of video, or you're good at editing, or you like social media in general, YouTube is a great way to earn a lot of money. You earn money through affiliate links. So if you do a fashion channel or a makeup channel, you can sell a ton of products and you get a percentage for every product you sell. You could earn money through the ads that come in front of your videos. Like there was probably an ad before this. I get a few cents for that. It's not great, but when you get a ton of views, like if you become super duper famous, you can get thousands of dollars. I said that so weird, ew. And you can also earn money through sponsorships. If someone wants like a shout out in your video, you usually can work with companies that you actually really love and that are really cool things, and you just give them a shout out and they pay you. Dollar bills, y'all. The fourth way to earn money is to sign up for websites like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're good at graphic design or if you can draw really well, people will pay you money for your skills. I don't have any skills, but if I did, I would definitely be on Upwork or Fiverr. You can even do t-shirt designs for people. You can do banners for YouTube, thumbnails. If you're good at photography, you can do product photography. The fifth way to earn money online is if you make something, like even slime, which is really cool with the kids nowadays. If you make slime, you can sell it on websites like Etsy. People are so into slime right now. I don't know if you guys have watched any slime videos recently, but oh my god, so much slime. Another really great way to earn money is to sign up for care.com, where you can find babysitting jobs, cleaning jobs, you can run errands for people, you can go pick up someone's groceries. Oh, don't forget that there's also Uber and Postmates. If you're of the age, you can Uber people around. Beep beep. If you're a girl and you don't feel comfortable driving, just do Postmates, because you just deliver food and you just drop it off like, here you go, you're welcome, bye. Great success. Another way to earn money is to walk people's dogs. I'm gonna do a challenge going from $0 to $1,000, and I think that's how I'm actually gonna start. I'm gonna make flyers that say, we'll walk your dog for $10, $15 an hour, maybe 20, I don't know. And I will walk people's dogs. I'm just gonna hang them up everywhere, put a cute picture of me with a dog, and I'll walk them. There you go. 20 bucks per hour, quick money. Anyway, I really hope you liked that video. Let me know how you guys make extra money. If you have any ideas, tell me in the comments. I would be so grateful. I could always use some extra cash money. Thanks so much for watching. I love you. Have a really good day. You're welcome, and bye.